Alright, this is going to be another example about factorizing over the complex field. You can see the work from the previous video. With this example, we will be using the quadratic equation. So, like the previous example, we're going to be using the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And the particular example is going to be z squared plus 3z plus 5 equals 0. Alright, let's just review the quadratic equation real quick. That is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, now this is just a matter of plugging in the values. Now we have x equals negative b, so negative 3 plus or minus square root b squared, so 3 squared, 9, minus 4 times a is 1, so we're just going to leave that out, c times 5, so that's going to be 20, all over 2 times a, so just 2. And we can simplify that to 3 plus or minus square root 9 minus 20, that's negative 11, all over 2. And simplify that, negative 3 plus or minus. Now, sort of the definition of I squared equals negative, I squared equals negative 1. So, we take the square root of both sides, and we get square root of I squared equals square root of negative 1 by arithmetic. I equals square root of negative 1. So we can just take out the square root of negative 1. I times square root of 11 all over 2. And that's about as far as we're going to get for x using the quadratic equation. And we can just solve for x now. Because it, alright, so we have x equals negative 3, we're going to break this into two different equations, plus I square root of 11 all over 2, that's 1, and the next root is going to be negative 3 minus I square root of 11 over 2. And those are our answers. So